Welcome to Management Made Simple. Hi, I'm Anthony Francis, and when I used to be in management, I'd hear this a lot. Set SMART goals for both yourself, team and individuals. But the question is why? Today I'm going to tell you what SMART goals are, but more importantly, how to use them so people actually follow through. Let's go. You see, in today's fast-paced world of business, setting clear, actionable goals is crucial for success. Whether you're leading a team of seasoned professionals or guiding newcomers, SMART goals provide a framework that ensures everyone is aligned and moving towards common objectives. However, let's first explore how to set SMART goals in a way that's both practical and engaging for all levels of experience. But to do that, we first need to know what SMART goals are. Well, SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time-bound. This method transforms vague aspirations into specific concrete plans. Let me give an example and break this down for you. So with specific, goals should be clear and ambiguous. So instead of saying improve your team performance, you would say increase your team productivity by 20% by the end of the third quarter. With measurable, quantify your goals so you can track progress. So for example, launch 3 new marketing campaigns in the next 6 months. With achievable, set realistic goals that are attainable with the resources available and avoid setting the bar too high or too low. For relevant, ensure the goals align with the broader business objectives, as each goal should contribute to the company's overall strategy. And finally, T for time-bound. Set a deadline to create a sense of urgency and ensure timely progress. For instance, complete the satisfaction survey by the 30th of July. Okay, so now you've got an understanding of what SMART is, but how does that relate to the practical side of setting goals for your team? Well, this is where you need to engage your team in the goal setting process, as this helps foster a sense of ownership and commitment. So for example, when setting goals during a team meeting, discuss potential goals and gather input to ensure everybody's on board. Also, break the goals down because large objectives can be overwhelming, so break them into smaller, more manageable tasks. For example, if the goal is to increase sales by 15% in 6 months, identify the specific steps needed each month to achieve this. In addition, use tools and technology. So for example, utilize project management tools like Trello, Asana, or Microsoft Teams to keep track of progress and deadlines. These platforms offer visual aids and reminders that help keep everyone accountable. Also, schedule regular check-ins to discuss what's working and what's not, as this helps in making necessary adjustments and keeping the momentum going. It's also important to celebrate milestones. Recognize and celebrate achievements no matter how big or small, as this boosts morale and encourages continued effort towards the ultimate goal. It's also important when setting SMART goals to make them interesting by storytelling. So for example, share success stories from other teams or companies that have effectively used SMART goals, as this can inspire and motivate your team. If possible, introduce gamification to the goal setting progress. So here what you could do is create friendly competitions on reward systems for hitting milestones. This can make the process more engaging and ultimately more fun. So what can you take from setting SMART goals? Well, it's a tried and tested method that can bring clarity, focus, motivation to both you and your team. Also, by making the process interactive and engaging, you can ensure that both newcomers and veterans find it valuable. Remember, the key to success lies not just in setting goals, but in actively pursuing and achieving them with a collaborative and a committed approach. And there you have it. So if you like videos like this, then like and subscribe so you know when I release my next video. I'll see you then.